few words about this building. Sacred buildings are like musical instruments. They can be finely tuned, finely designed, and they can just sit there on the ground. Unless they're actually played through ceremony, through sound, they're of no value. So a sacred building, once it's designed, finely tuned, has to be activated through ceremony, through our intention. And when you get a sacred building that is actually designed to sacred geometry proportions, it actually connects us to our universal source, our own internal harmony and universal harmony. So when we get a building like this, just printed a couple of shots here, which obviously is the shot from the outside. You can see kind of what's happening in the structure. But what is very interesting is the ground plan. Now, if you're familiar with the cosmological concept of the circle squared, it's the distance around the circle and the distance around the square is equal. The circle represents heaven, the square earth. So in essence, it's saying circle squared, the marriage of heaven and earth, father, mother, yin yang. So bringing those energies together of heaven and earth, that's what this building is doing. That's quite magical in itself. And we've also got the octagon of humanity. And the way this building actually creates a circle square is by the thickness of its walls. So you can have a look at this later a bit closer. But the outside of the walls, if you can see the circle, that's what actually cuts around the inside surface to create a circle square geometry. That doesn't mean a lot, don't worry about it. I can explain that to you later if you want in detail. But it's quite magical the way past architects have actually incorporated sacred geometry and hidden it. And this is an example of the circle square hidden. But that's what this work is about. Building the hidden and stuff. So, we're going to celebrate this building.